Hey, let's go. Good luck today, man. Oh my god, the race gas is smelling beautiful. That's starting to pack up slowly but surely, and camping is sold out. I was looking on their social media. Look at that sea of campers, guys. How many millions, tens of millions, hundreds of millions of dollars of machinery, things are here. It's going, ooh, that feels good. Ooh, that's a cool spot. Going over to the launch pad, look at the USA 4th of July weekend. This is going to be great, guys. We are going to be getting some great footage today. Sorry for the patient. I'm excited. I'm watching. Unfortunately, I don't have a good one. Yeah, guys, if you guys are here and want to say hi or see the stream, feel free. We're going to be partying. We're going to be getting some good views, some funny videos. So we're walking up the hill right now. We're going to the launch pad, getting a good angle of this. This is 250B practice on the track right now. Here we go, right under the USA flag. Ooh, look at this. We're going to get some scrubs and whips coming up here. This is the downhill of that Monza turn, and then coming up to that launch pad jump. So yeah, guys, be sure you like the video. It'll help it. Oh, is that BL? Looks like BL just went by. Nice little scrub over there. Let me try to find my friends. They've been wandering or looking. I've been telling them I've been on YouTube showing you guys the exclusive access. Looks like we got a Kawasaki mechanic up there. I don't know. I forget where they I don't know where they walk. Ooh, look at that. That's a nice shot. Let's see who's coming up. Number 17, number 32. Hey guys, this is 250A practice right now. We're gonna hit this view, guys. Sorry, my bad. I kind of walked out there. Dude, this is insane. Look at all those campers. Hold on, let me silence that for a second. I gotta remind you guys, the viewers of this thing, there's a poster right here. I'm guessing that's someone's. Again, this is 250A practice right now. And you guys be sure you like the video, it'll help show it to you. Oh my god, let's go!